One perk of using ScreenSteps for your knowledge base is that ScreenSteps comes with an editor that combines a screen snipping tool, screenshot annotation, and text editing all in one. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the screen snipping tool to grab multiple screenshots and then annotate those screenshots so you can quickly build step-by-step instructions. Hey, Jonathan here with ScreenSteps. And a lot of people who switch to using ScreenSteps are familiar with grabbing screenshots or using the snippet tool, and then annotating those screenshots using something like Microsoft Paint or PowerPoint. And then they save that image to their desktop, and then they have to insert that image into a Word document or into PowerPoint or PDF. Now, if you've ever had to do that, you know how much of a pain that can be, which is why you're going to love using the ScreenSteps desktop editor. We've literally had people tell us that it used to take them an hour to create basic step-by-step tutorials, but now it only takes them 10 or 15 minutes. So let's say I get a question from a coworker who asks, a customer paid with a check. How can I manually mark an invoice as paid? To answer that question, I'm going to document all the steps she'll need to take. So I open up the ScreenSteps desktop editor, and I'll minimize it and get it out of the way. And now I simply perform the procedure while grabbing screenshots along the way. First, I get a screenshot of where the action starts. Then I'll click to the next screen. I'll grab another screenshot. And click to the next screen. I'll take another screenshot and click to the next screen. And take one final screenshot. And that's it. Now the cool thing is ScreenSteps was collecting all of those screenshots. So when I pull up the editor, all those screenshots are there waiting for me. I can now go in and add arrows. Blur out sensitive information. Add squares. Highlights. And sequences. And then I can go through and add paragraph text, tables, and headings to complete this article and publish it to my ScreenSteps knowledge base, or as a PDF. And there you go. When it comes to getting screenshots and creating step-by-step tutorials for your online knowledge base or your PDFs, there's no faster way to do it than with ScreenSteps.